Hi, I'm Vidya. I'm selling digital patterns for felt ornaments, dolls, and finger puppets. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to make animal finger puppets using the Zoo Friends pattern from my Etsy shop. With this pattern, you can make lion, giraffe, bear, monkey, and elephant finger puppets. They are hands-on and very easy to make. The digital pattern is available for purchase at my Etsy shop. You can find the link to my shop in the description below. I hope you will find the tutorial helpful. Let's start. Have the pattern pieces and all the materials ready. Sew the head to the front body piece. I'm using the whip stitch here. Leave an opening to insert the polyfill and sew close the opening. Glue the nose to the muzzle and glue the muzzle to the head of the bear. Using a pen, mark the placement for the eyes and the mouth. Sew the beads for the eyes. And stitch the mouth. Glue the ears to the head. This is to secure them in place when you sew the body pieces together. Now combine the front and back body pieces. I'm also using the whip stitch here. Your bear finger puppet is ready. Have the pattern pieces and all the materials ready. Sew the head pieces together. Leave an opening to insert the polyfill. And sew close the opening. Using a pen, mark the placement for the eyes and sew the beads for the eyes. Glue the head to the front body piece and glue both the ears to the head. Now combine the front and back body pieces. I'm showing you here to give you an idea on how to sew the earpiece in between the front and back body pieces. Leave an opening at the bottom for the finger. Your elephant finger puppet is ready. Have the pattern pieces and all the materials ready. Glue the mane to the front body piece. Glue the ears to the headpiece. Sew the head to the mane using the whip stitch. Leave an opening to insert the polyfill. And sew close the opening. Glue the front hair. And glue the nose to the face. Using a pen, mark the placement for the eyes and the mouth. Sew the beads for the eyes. And stitch the mouth. Now glue the other mane to the back body piece. Combine the front and back body pieces. Leave an opening for the finger. Your lion finger puppet is ready. Have the pattern pieces and all the materials ready. Sew the face to the headpiece using the whip stitch. Sew the head to the front body piece. Leave an opening to insert the polyfill. And now sew close the opening. Glue the nose to the face of the monkey. Use a pen to mark the placement for the eyes and the mouth. Sew the beads for the eyes. And stitch the mouth. Now glue both ears to the head. Also glue the belly to the front body piece. Now combine the front and back body pieces using the whip stitch. Leave an opening at the bottom for the finger. Your monkey finger puppet is ready. Have the pattern pieces and all the materials ready. Sew the head to the front body piece. Leave an opening to insert the polyfill. So close the opening. Now, prepare the muzzle piece. Cut out 2 holes for the nostrils. Holding the muzzle as the guide, mark the placements for the eyes. Now sew the beads for the eyes. Put a little glue to the base of the giraffe's ear and pinch it so the sides will stick together. Do the same to the other piece. Glue the horns and ears to the giraffe's head. Now combine the front and back body pieces together. Leave an opening at the bottom for the finger. Glue the gray felt to the back of the muzzle. And glue the muzzle to the giraffe's head. Glue the orange spots on giraffe's front and back body randomly. Your giraffe finger puppet is ready.